friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. Lately I've been doing some pretty long swing trades and I thought I'll just show you some example as to how I do it. Basically I traded on 4 stocks recently. 2 stocks went as per my analysis and the other 2 stocks didn't go as per my plan. So in this video I'm going to show you why it is very important for you to cut your losses very soon and stick on to your profits. The trades that are going as per your analysis. Okay. And also I'm going to upload a very useful intraday strategy in the next video, so please make sure to like my video and also comment yes if you are interested. So yeah, let's get started. The first stock that I traded is Hindustan Unilever. This is the trend line and the stock has been getting quite a support 1 2 3 4 5 times previously, and I thought it will just jump off again. And in 1 hour time frame, okay, there was a pattern inside that. So this is the pattern. I drew this pattern and my first trade was exactly this candle, green candle, and I exited with 10,000 rupees profit in Hindustan Unilever last week. Okay, and then I thought there is another opportunity when I saw a reversal again from this area, this trend line. There was a reversal, right? So my entry, I entered with 1 lot in futures here, and again another entry here. So the average was around 1993. So in futures it is like this area, okay, 1993.97 or something. So this is where I entered. Okay, so if you look at the risk reward ratio, let's say here, and my stop loss is around 15,000 below the trend line, and it gave me a risk reward ratio of 1:3, but I didn't book at the top and I had to exit it right around here. Okay, so 1:2 is the risk reward ratio here. I exited with 47,000 profit in Hindustan Unilever. Although it went up to like 73 or 80k, I thought I would just hold the trade for some more time, but I exited this day, that is on Friday, because I didn't want to hold the trade during the weekends, as I was already holding this trade from last Wednesday. Okay, I started on last Wednesday and then I averaged it on last Thursday, and I even thought of adding a lot today. In fact, I even averaged the price again. I added one more lot today around 12 o'clock, but I changed my plan. I thought I will just exit it because you never know what's going to happen during the weekends. So I didn't want to take much risk, so I thought I'll just exit and enter again if there is again an opportunity in the Hindustan Unilever. So 1:2 is a really good trade. You don't want more than that. So I exited with a good profit of 47,000, although I could have at least booked it like 65 or something, but that's fine. 1:2 is still fine. The other trade is Tata Chemical. So this is the pattern. These are the reversals, and at the bottom it was getting some support here. So this is the trend line and my entry was exactly this two retrace, right? So the moment I saw a good rejection again on a third time in 3 days, in 4 days, I thought I will give it a try here. So my entry was exactly at these 2 green candles. My stop loss was on top of this red candle, although it gave 1:2 or something like that. But what happened is I was holding the trade and it just went right back up. I was anticipating this, so I had to close this with almost a cost to cost around like 300 rupees loss, not cost to cost, actually small loss. The reason why I closed is I was anticipating again another retest on the trend line and then it might fall. So I thought I had no patience because it could take 2 or 3 or maybe 4 days to again come down. So probably I should have closed it when I was in a profit of 5,000 rupees when it fell. Okay, so because my risk was very minimal here, something like 3,000 or 4,000. So yeah, but it's fine, it happens. So I exited with 397 rupees loss here. And the reason why closed it so soon is because I had another opportunity in IGL, so I thought I would just enter there. Okay, IGL, this is the pattern, two solid rejections. Okay, and even at the bottom, this is the trend line, and this is again another pattern. Okay, so these two major reversal were broken with really good volume. If you look at the volume, these three candles, there were no rejections, correct? So that gave me the confidence to enter at this two particular retrace candle. So this is where I went long. My stop loss was here, right below the trend line. This is what I was expecting. What happened is, I thought it will just go like this, but what happened, it hit my stop loss and then went up. You might ask me, why did you keep such a low, tight stop loss? The reason is, every time IGL falls, it falls drastically as per my experience. Even the previous time, I had a pretty wide stop loss. It hit my stop loss and then went right back up. So I had a very tight stop loss, and it got hit and then it went up. So it happens, it's fine, because the IGL could have fallen drastically, right? So it is, as a trader, it is important that you manage your risk as much as possible. So here, if you look at this, in this particular trade, I think it is 4,000 rupees loss, 3,900 or something like that. So almost around 4,000 rupees loss in this particular trade. I could have been in a profit of almost around 16,000 if it wasn't for this stop loss. Okay, but again, that's fine, this is a very minimal stop loss. Okay, so the next trade is Tech Mahindra. This is the pattern that I had drawn, and so there was a breakout. I didn't enter at this point. Okay, when the market opened, I didn't enter because there was a huge selling pressure at the top. So I was just patiently waiting to see what is going to happen on Tech Mahindra. So I entered here, this candle right at the close of this 2nd June, because there was a kind of a U-shaped recovery. This comes from experience, guys. So I just felt that this is going to go up because there was a U-shaped recovery. Bottom, there is some buying pressure in the candles, and it is also out of the triangle pattern. So as per my expectation, my entry was just a second. So this was my entry, and this was my stop loss, and it gave like again 1:2.5, but I didn't book at the top. I had to exit it here. The reason why I exited is because two reasons. For me personally, it didn't look like a consolidation. This is quite a huge candle, right? It looked like a reversal for me, so I had to exit it, although it had the potential to go up still. But I just thought I'll leave it because I don't want to risk it during the weekend. Okay, probably when there is a consolidation, if there is a good entry, I will enter it again, and then it might go up. Let's see how it goes. So these are the trades that I have taken recently. So I am trying to hold the trades for a longer time. So that is why you don't see much of an update from me in terms of price action videos. But whenever I do some intraday trades, I'll upload that so that it is helpful for you guys. Please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know if you have any comments. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. Yeah, that would be all.